Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to get a bit up close and personal, you know. Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so right now I'm just spraying Got2b glue. This week I'm not using any Ghost Bond because I feel like it's not necessary right now. I'm probably gonna wear this hair for like a good week, 2 weeks. So yeah, probably doing 3 layers that you see, and then here I'm blow drying it. And now I'm putting on the wig. About to slay all day. Anyways, self-explanatory. Okay, so here you see me laying down one side at a time. And yeah, next clip is gonna be me putting a scarf around the perimeter. And guys, this wig is really, really pretty. And it waves up so perfectly. I have the link in the description box. So this is the finished results. I hope you guys enjoy. That was a process. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Do you like the color? Is it pretty? Like, would you rock it? And please like and subscribe. Alrighty, bye!